Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to request a ride on Uber. First of all, download and install the Uber application on your device and sign in or create an account using your mobile phone number, and also make sure your payment method is set up and working. Once you're made sure of that, from the home page of Uber, go ahead and click on the Where to text box at the very top and select your destination by typing it down or setting it from your map. You can also search for a different city from Saved Places tab or set a location on map option. You can also enter the name of a city and choose the recent or the default locations from the menu. After you do that, the app will show you ride options such as Uber X, Uber XL, Taxi, Share Ride, Black, Comfort, etc. Choose the ride type that suits you depending upon your budget, premium or shared option. Choose the ride type that suits you from the menu depending upon your budget. Finally, tap on Choose at the bottom of the screen if you want to ride right away. But if you want to schedule the ride, you can tap on the Calendar button at the bottom right and select a date where you want to be picked up and dropped off. After setting a time, click on Next at the bottom of the screen and click on the Reserve button at the bottom if you are trying to schedule the ride. But if you want to ride right away, then you don't have to schedule your ride. You can simply go ahead and select a ride and click on Choose from the bottom. Right after you do that, you can wait for the driver assignment. You'll receive the driver's name, photo, vehicle model, and license plate. When your driver arrives, verify the vehicle and driver match what the app shows. This will help you prevent from entering the wrong car, and that way you will be able to book a ride or request a ride on Uber. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.